Hi viewers, I am Nasir Mahmood. I am here with another video and I'll try to explain simplification of expressions by putting their values or by substituting their values. Okay, so this is new syllabus mathematics D1 and we are solving question number 2. And this is exercise 4A. This is exercise 4A and this is question number 2, and we will try to solve this question and we will try to understand what is being asked over here. See, given that x is 6 and y is minus 4, and we have to evaluate the equation, the expression, okay? So this is the algebraic expression given and we have to evaluate it. So at the place of x we will write its value. At the place of y we will write its value. Then we will get 24 over here and plus 28 over here. So 12 and 52. This 52 is going to be your answer. Now let me explain this again. The value of x is 6 and the value of y is 4. So we have substituted these values, and after this the step is of multiplication. After multiplying we will get 24 plus 28, and these two values will be added and we will get the final answer, that is 52. Now in this question we have a different situation. X is 6 over here and y is minus 4. Okay, so we will write these values, and after substituting these values we will try to simplify. See, there are brackets, so we have to open these brackets. It will become 30 and this will become minus 12. Okay, so minus 30 upon 12 plus 6. Okay, now when we will take LCM we will get 12, and this will be multiplied by 1 and this will be multiplied by 12. So we will get 30 over here and we will get 6 to 72. So when we will subtract we will get 2 and 4, 42 upon 12. Now at this stage we have to cancel these two values because they can be cancelled by a single table. Okay, so 6 7s is 42 and 6 2s is 12. So 7 upon 2 finally we got. Okay, and this fraction will be converted into a whole number, so it will become 3 whole 1 upon 2. This is your answer. Now let me explain this once again. See, value of x is 6 and value of y is minus 4. So we are writing 6 here at the place of x and minus 4 here at the place of y. And over here also we have a x, so we will write 6. After this we will take LCM, and by adding them, by taking LCM we will get 42 upon 12. This 42 upon 12 will be cancelled by the table of 6. Okay, 6 2 is 12 and 6 7 is 42. Okay, then 7 over 2 is your answer. This answer will be converted into a whole number and that will give you the final answer. Now it's C part. In C part the value of x is 6, which you can see from there. Okay, it is mentioned in the beginning of the question, and value of y is minus 4 and there is a cube. So 6 square is 36, so we will write 36 here, and minus 4's cube is 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64, so it will be minus 64. Okay, now this will become 72 after multiplication and this will become plus 64. So we will add 6 and this will become 13. So 136 is your answer. Now Here we have another question.